is tax day for many people in California. You have until tonight to file your 2022 taxes if you haven't already. And this morning we welcome State Controller Malia Cohen with what you need to know. And the first thing is, don't panic. Breathe.
Yes. First thing, don't panic, don't worry. If you waited to the last minute, congratulations. It is officially the last minute.
Okay, yes, it is.
But you have till midnight tonight to get your taxes filed and paid.
Do you think a lot of people are doing it themselves online right now?
A lot of people do their taxes online. Most tax preparers also do that. We have an e-file. It's the most expedient way that you're able to get your returns back.
What is your advice for people who have not started calculating their taxes? Do they need to write you guys a check at this point and estimate how much they owe?
Actually, yes, that's a really good question. So what I would say to your viewers this morning is, first, don't panic, breathe. You're not alone. We are expecting about 3 million returns to come in today. And it is encouraged for you to be able to file today and pay as much as you can. If for whatever reason you're not able to pay, contact the Franchise Tax Board. There's an 800 number on the website, and a professional will be able to help you. An analyst will be able to help you develop a payment plan. There's also a calculator on the website. If you do not know what your estimated taxes will be, a calculator will help you calculate that figure. And
at what point will there be penalties if you don't file today?
Pretty immediately. If there are penalties. I mean, this is the absolute deadline. You recall that here we are in October, but we usually file in the third week of April. Well, due to severe storms, the 55 out of 58 counties here in the state of California were given an extension.
Okay, so if you call your tax person right now, what do you need to go file your taxes if you waited until this very last minute?
You need your earnings, you need your W-2 form, you need any kind of form or statement from investments or holdings. Usually they're mailed to your house. You can also log on into your account online to be able to get that information downloaded or get it in a PDF and mail it to your preparer.
Sure, and if your taxes are pretty simple and you can do it yourself, how long will it take you to do that if you haven't done that in quite some time?
That's an interesting question, and I think it really depends on the individual skill level. But if it's simple, say you're a young person and you're making minimum wage and you don't have a lot of assets or holdings, then it should be pretty simple. It should take about an hour.
Definitely. What about those tax credits? Can they still get those, and how should they be aware of those?
Absolutely. Tax credits are important. If you are interested in learning if you qualify for tax credit, just go to the Franchise Tax Board's website. That's ftb.ca.gov, and it will give you, in addition to that calculator to calculate your taxes that you need to pay, you'll also tell you tax credit programs that you may qualify for. Also want to encourage people who maybe are working or low income filers. If you're making about $25,000 to $30,000 or below, you may qualify for the Earned Income Tax Credit or the Early Childhood Tax Credit. So that means that there is money out there for you. So don't leave it on the table. Go get your money and make sure you file today.
Absolutely. And for people who itemize, what do they need to know since they waited until the last minute? They can still do so.
They should definitely contact their tax preparer. Their tax filing is probably going to be a little bit more complex.
Okay, absolutely. And it has to be in the mail or just online at this point?
That's a good question. Both. It could be online, but also in the mail, but it must be timestamped today.
Okay, got it. Malia, thank you so much for joining us with what we need to know. Again, don't panic, just do it. Deirdre.
All right, thank you. It is